The series is alive and electric as we head into this clash at Super Sport Park. It is the third of 4 T20 internationals. It's South Africa up against India. We started off this tour with India claiming a dominant win in match one and main character energy from Sanju Samson and India's spin twins. They followed a low-scoring thriller that was led by Tristan Stubbs, player of the match. South Africa claiming a 3-wicket win. What will happen today?
Yeah, we're good to go and play has been called. Here's Marco Jansen. Nicely nudged onto that leg side and knows the call. Maharaj going to his right. They'll take note of that.
No, he won't. He's gone. It's leg stumping the rakha. It's off stump at Super Sport Park.
The shot said it stayed a little bit low. Marco Jansen won't worry about that. Yeah, it probably does just stay down a little. With the first one having bounced a bit and him working it to the onside, he felt that he needed to be back then watching for whether it's coming in or away. Well, that's all done and dusted. It's none for one. Nice shot. 4 runs. Gone again. That's gone all the way for 6. Oh, what about this for aggression? Fighting, fire with fire. Shot. Wow. A scything shot. Just gives himself a little bit of room. Shot. 2 full that time. Looking for the Yorker. Doesn't quite get there. Worked away. Oh, just missed it. All the way for 6. Just helped on its way. What a shot. That's the second time he's done that. This time it's gone much straighter. Yeah, straight. It's just a bunt. Yeah, he's played that shot really well all the way through the innings. That's the 3rd time he's done that, and he's got it away for 6.
David Miller, is he in business? No, he's not. Another boundary. Creative, very creative and very effective.
And you simply cannot stop them at the moment, these 2 young left-handers. This time he's gone leg side and he's gone into the crowd once again.
Straight away, he uses his feet and smashes it straight. This is a great exhibition of batting by these 2 left-handers. 106 on the board, and Abhishek Sharma has 50. What an incredible innings from this youngster. Keshav Maharaj finds a way through.
Was taken for the maximum, very first ball of the over. And the man strikes back. Abhishek Sharma royally entertained this crowd here at Super Spark this evening. He goes for 50 from just 25 deliveries. India 107 for 2.
Right, it's gone aerial. This will take some catching because it needed some movement from Jansen, and he does it.
Holds out. And it's Marco Jansen who takes a good running catch at deep backward point. He doesn't miss many, and he makes it look pretty easy as he usually does. India 110 for 3.
Beautiful looking shot. Timing is good. The fielding by Gerald Coetzee was almost just as good. In the end, the shot just that much better.
That could be close. The finger goes up. He's got his man. So the change of field brought about a change of game plan from Hardik Pandya, and it brings about the 4th wicket for South Africa. They are going to just send it upstairs.
Original decision out, pitching outside off, impact in line, and wickets hitting. Police, I'm going to ask you to stay with your original decision of out, stand by.
Hardik Pandya's on his way for 18, 132 for 4. Picks that one up, has it got enough? Oh, it has. I don't know if he's a hand involved. He goes again, this time he picks the gap. Stubbs, can he cut it off? He tried his best, but unable to get a paw on it. That is beautifully played. I think it was a change of pace first up. And with the field that's set, he wouldn't have been expecting anything to be played off the front foot. No one in front of the wicket. And there it could be. Is that the one? That could be over 90. That's way back. Going for the Yorker, Kiya, and just clipped off his pads.
Banged away. Oh, he continues on. Tilak Verma.
He's nailed the Yorker. This is exactly what he wanted. Fantastically bowling. Fantastically bowled, Simelane. Means a lot. Means a lot to him and it means a lot to South Africa. Rico Singh goes. Fight. 190 for 5.
Banged away. Waited for it. Knew it would be somewhere there. And first ball goes out the ground. What about that to start your career? 196 for 5. What a shot. That is a beauty of a shot. Just a short arm jab. In the slot again. Nudged down the ground again. And oh, what a moment. A maiden century for him in T20 internationals. Tried again with the Yorker. Was waiting for it this time, Tilak Verma. Trying to get the strike, trying to sneak a single. It's not happened. Excellent work from Klaasen.
Brilliant from Klaasen. They practice this day in and day out. It's become such a part of the T20 game. That's the end of Ramandeep Singh. He goes for 15, just 6 deliveries. India 218 for 6.
What an over. It's a comeback of sorts, you'll say, to finish off that well. Still, India will be happy with 219 on the board for 6.
Oh, that's a beauty to start off with. But interest from behind the stumps as well. Flashes hard in it. And it works well for Reza Hendricks as he's away with a boundary. What a way to start up after the break. It can be tough to start as a batter after the break, but that will do his confidence the world of good. Out to the leg side. It is needed. They know they need boundaries. Digging it into the surface, but quickly onto it is Rickleton. He picked up that length very quickly. Chopped it on. In the most unlucky fashion, Ryan Rickleton will have to depart.
Yeah, an eventful over, and it's Hardeep Singh who has the last laugh. Rickleton wafting outside of stump. He only manages a thick outside edge into the pitch and just clips the leg stump. Rickleton goes for 20 from 15 deliveries. South African 27 for 1.
Thick edge and effective for South Africa and Reza Hendricks. That's beautifully placed. Excellent timing and placement. There will be 3 boundaries in this over. One of them has come off the middle of the bat. Another one for Chakravarti. He picked up 5 at St. George's and he continues with his wicket-taking form.
He continues on his merry way, Chakravarti. There's no stopping him at the moment from a South African point of view. Picks up his 9th wicket. South Africa 47 for 2.
He will move around a lot in his crease, Tristan Stubbs. He's very good at that and trying to just upset Chakravarti as much as he can. Brilliant, wonderful batting. That's back-to-back boundaries to end the power play. And South Africa 55 for 2.
Sweeps, this could be out LBW. Yes, it is. We might be in for another review. Yeah, we are. Upstairs it goes.
Original decision out, pitching outside, impact in line, wickets hitting. I'm going to ask you to go back on field to Ari. Stick with your original decision, Ari. Stand by. Signal now.
Finger goes up, and what you didn't see on screen was that Tristan Stubbs was making his way off the ground once he saw the replay. He knew he was stone dead. He goes for 12, 68 for 3. Goes for it and middles it. He was very cross in the last over about missing out. Similar length, similar kind of delivery. This time there's no missing. That's off the middle. Goes this time. It sounded like the bottom of the bat, but it's still enough. And this is a fantastic over for South Africa.
Oh, it's another short one. Oh, he's picked up. Foul corner, unfortunately for Aiden Markham.
He gets the drag down. He's just got to find somewhere near the middle. He's got 3 sixes for the over and will finish the over in style. It's a genuine drag down. Probably the fact that it just held up in the surface and turned a touch. But you can see as he makes the contact, he knows it isn't near the middle. It's going to be caught, and there's the frustration. 10 overs completed, 84 for 4. Markham goes for 29. That's a great shot. Has he picked the gap well enough to take it to the fence? He has. Fantastic from Miller. There we see a bit of class, and it's the drag down, and that's more like him.
Struck it well enough, and away it goes into the crowd. Gone again, this time even further. Oh, what a shot. That is massive. Yes, yes, and yes again. Fast outfield, you're not going to catch up with it. Middled one, and it's out of there. 6 runs, David Miller. Bang again, and oh, what a catch. That is fantastic from Akshay Patel.
Short ball, gets a lot of it. Trajectory not there, but hits it hard. And what a grab from Akshay Patel. Excellent catch. And David Miller has to go. 142 for 5.
Makes enough room for himself. He knows he has to play a part in this chase. South Africa go past 150. Clean as you like. And it's another big 6. Fortuitous for South Africa. It runs away. He gets 4. It's gone quite high. It's not gone far enough for South Africa. Tilak Verma, who put on a magnificent 100 early on, completes a crucial catch.
Arshdeep Singh again, keeping it outside the arc. Pace off. Comfortable catch taken by Tilak. He knows how much that wicket means. It's the big wicket of Heinrich Klaasen. He goes for 41. South Africa 167 for 6.
Jansen trying to make things happen for South Africa. Backs away from his stumps. And he finds the boundary straight. That's big enough for Jansen to clear the rope. Is he keeping South Africa's hopes alive? This is a thick edge flying away, down towards the boundary, 1 bounce 4. That's 3 balls that have gone to the boundary, 1 has cleared it. More runs for South Africa and Jansen. He is striking the ball at over 300 now. Top edge flying away, the crowd are cheering it on as it skips down towards the boundary. Every single South African in this crowd is pushing this along. It's 195 for 6. More than enough power this time around. It was the undoing of David Miller, but he's got enough power, and he brings up a half century. His first in T20 internationals.
Can I just see the boundary check?
It's good bowling from Arshdeep Singh. Very good bowling. They've gone for a run. Was that run required at that stage? Yet again, they want another look at this with the third umpire.
Track him in ready, please. Original decision, not out. Pitching in line. Impact in line. Wickets hitting. Police, I'm going to ask you to overturn your on-field decision. I'll let you know when you're on screen. Signal now.
Sadly, though, not enough for South Africa. 202 for 7. It'll take work to stop this ball as it's skipping away towards the boundary. And Tilak Verma, who did unfortunately sustain a slight injury earlier on, is not able to stop it. There was a fight from the Proteas, but it's India who will take the spoils tonight. Thanks to a magnificent T20 International 100 from Tilak Verma, who got them up to a total they could defend here at Supersport Park Centurion. It may have been a slightly more nervous finish than